Alright guys, this is day one in the process of recovering my account, and this is the day one. Drop down to 600, and then suddenly like I'm trying to recovering the account, and this is day one, which I start with GP USD. So the trade somehow is running with huge profit. I don't know how some of you may think whether I'm over leveraging or I'm over trading. That is why they can't drop that huge amount. No, there's something behind it why the account dropped that huge amount. I'm trying to rebuild the accounts back like my biggest team, Manchester United. Right, let's log into the chart. As you can see over here, like we are live, not demo account. We are rebuilding everything from the scratch, like my biggest team, United. Right, let's go to the chart and see how everything is going. Alright, here is the chart. The trade is still moving with huge profit, as you can see. Let me go to my trading platforms so that people will see. As you can see over here, it's a real account. Tap it over here, as you can see, real. You can see AVS because I'm using AVS to trade. Everything is real over here. So the account was over, like, let me say 3,800. Okay, let's take this price of like the amount of 3,800. Then the amount dropped down to 600. Like the balance, as you can see over here, we have the balance over here. While we have the balance, as you can see, the balance is 600. So I'm trying to revise the account back to where it was and huge profit to be counted. So that is, yes, today is the day one, trying to recover the account, and we are locked in with GP USD. I'm a good trader as well, but gold is not showing me any entry for now because gold is under distribution phase, that is ranging market sideways. So we are now plugged in with GP USD. So the trade is properly running with profit. As you can see over here, 100. I can see over here 130. Let's assume that it's 100 because you cannot take the 30. The 30 may reduce at any time. So let's back to the chart. Here's the chart and everything is going well. How I cash out this trade is very simple. Let's go back to trading view. Let me show you how I cash out this trade. As you can see, market was over here. When market was over here, I noticed something, that there will be a pullback, which is like there will be a pullback because here was a huge dropping. I noticed there will be a pullback because normally when market drop, if it is a downtrend, there will be a pullback, and GPUSD is a downtrend. Yeah, look at the charts. Maybe you can use your time frame that you are using. GP is dropping. It's a bearish market. So after this huge drop yesterday, which was Thursday yesterday, I know that there will be a pullback. So I now target over here to enter my trade. No guessing in trade. I draw my line, make my analysis, because analysis will help you understand where the market is going, because I'm a technical. Analysis will help you understand where the market is going. So after I made my analysis, I was waiting for a pullback for market to come back to this trend line. And then after a quick pullback, like let me say a quick revise, I also like, here is the sharp entry for you to lock in with a good lot size, though I'm using 0.05 lot size due to the account size. So I'm using 0.05 lot size. I think it's almost how many positions. Let's go to the AVS to confirm how many positions I've opened. I think it's almost how many positions. Let me see, it's like about 7 positions I've opened over here, like 7 positions. So I'm just trying to bring back the account to life. Someone just gives me the account, I should bring it back to life. Let's be clear and simple. A trader drop down the account from total amount, from that amount 3,800 to 600. So like it then means me like I should help him and revise the account to life with 600 balance, which I accept the challenge. I'm going to revise the account back to life. So I'm started with the account with GPUSD, and I logged in with a good loss size and a better loss size. The loss size like maybe may seem like too smaller size, but due to the account balance and the position that I opened, so I have to use a small loss size, so that everything will be fine. In case the market go against us, we still have a lot to manage again. So the account is doing well. I'm doing well with the account as well. I'm doing well with the account. Nothing like we are making profit without showing you the profit or without showing you the account. Everything about here is real account, as you can see over here. ABS real. If people want investor password, I will still drop it, and this is day one. So logged in with this channel, logged in with this page. Let's make this happen. A trader just bring the account to me. Ooh, bro, you're a trader? Yes. So please help me bring back this account. And I said, okay, no problem, cool, I'll go with it. So I'm going to do it more and more better. The account was funded 3,800. Then later drop down to 600. Yeah. So we are logged in with the account, and the account is still improving. The profit is still upping some more, and this is day one. After today trade, the next trade, after today trading, we are going to know how much will be the balance, and the next trading. Over here is our take profit. We don't target much. People that can calculate the pips should calculate it from here to here. How many pips is that? I think it's up to a few pips. Let me say a few pips, but we are cooking something importantly. So if the person that the owner of this account is watching us, I think the person should be happy, like the account is back, the account will be live again, because I'm going to make back the money. Like I'm going to revise back the account to that 3,800 and with a topping profit. Check the account details so that when I upload the video, like when I go through the process, people will still see it. Like check down the account details that I'm posting now. Check the account details that I'm posting now, so that you will not say no, this is not the account, this is not, you are lying, you are lying. I'm going to upload everything. When you see like if I deposit money to the account again, you will see it. Yes, because the total deposit deposited as I've already shown 3,800 and something. So you should check if I upload any deposit, it will show over there. Like the account will still indicate that deposit has been topping. So if I deposit any amount from my personal account to the account, you will also know it. But if I revise it with my trading strategy and how I push the market and how I make profit from the market, people are still going to see it. But right now we are logged in on this one because the market is profitable. So quick analysis, as you can see, everything is cool. Quick analysis. Why do you target over here? Why do I target that zone? You can see over here. Market is moving this side bearish trend, as you can see. Let me remove this drawing so that people understand. Market is moving bearish trend, which is downtrend. So it may comes over here and hit over here, because I don't expect this candlestick, this particular candlestick, to hit here. Maybe I'm waiting for another candlestick to form, and if another candlestick forms, it will be over here. Then market will hit here. The market hits here. Then we now have this thing pull back some more, because market is not going to come back here again. Market is not going to come back here again. Yeah, I think market is not going to come back here again. Due to my analysis, I'm not expecting market to come back here again. Market may from here and break it down. Yes, because already market has completed a 3 touch up, so it remains for market to come and touch over here. So I'm not expecting market to go up again. So it may consolidate over here, because market has different movement, but due to my analysis, I'm not sure. I'm not expecting market to come over here again. So let's consolidate over here to hit our take profit. That is it. We are not guessing market over here. I think it will break. I think it will not break. We are making analysis before the market even play out. The trade I took, like the trade I entered like over here, was like a pullback, like a pull up, like a reversal. Anything like you may call is your own. But what I know, that market revise up and now wait for the reversal to come, because I love trading reversal. Reversal market don't stress. Like reversal market don't stress, like compared to the setting of the direction. Yes. Okay, as you can see over here, let me make this example clear. Over here we have a direction where market was trying to drop down. Before you know, market pull up again to this level. And then people that say their stop loss around here, market eats them out. So for the starting of the trend is hard, but a reversal is easier. So I did not want to take a trade over here. Here was yesterday. No, I was to confirm that the trend is valid, because when market touched the trend line 2 times, that is where I know that trend line is valid, and it indicates like a proper downtrend direction. That is where I confirm everything is valid. So I'm going to log in with a good lot size. So that is it. And the person that owns the account, I think after this one, I'm going to show his face, and he will explain like how the account drop down to that level. But for now, this is day 1. So log in with the channel, and I will upload all the videos about the channel, the account, whenever I take the trade. Whenever I took trade, whenever I open any position on this account, I'm going to upload the video. The video will be live. My YouTube, my Facebook, my TikTok, everything, all the channels, like all my media channels, all the trade will be uploaded. So stay logged in, subscribe to the channel. If you don't subscribe before, if you are still new, subscribe to the channel. But if we hit, okay, let's keep this terrain so that people will not blame me, like people will not say like I'm not doing the right journey. Like I'm not showing you people the right, or I put it, the right transparency. Like I'm not doing it the right way. So if people want me to just show you everything about how this trade will happen every day, how I will move the account every day, how the losses will come, because sometimes you guys will come across some losses. So like if you guys want to know the full details about the account joining from day 1 to the infinity, I don't know when the account is going to, like I don't know when the account is going back to the amount 3,800 and something, but I think it will be like around next month, because this month has already. So next month we are going to check it, because anytime I shoot, I don't miss, and anytime I miss, I don't shoot again. That is it. If I shoot and I miss, I don't shoot again for the day. If my trading entry show and I shoot, if my trading entry show, I shoot, market hit my stop loss for the day. If I didn't find any entry again, I'm not going to shoot again in that particular pair again, because market has already invalidated my entry. And the way I enter my market, I'm not gonna lie, market don't hit my stop loss if it's a profitable market. Market don't hit my stop loss before my take profit. No, I haven't experienced that before in my trading history. I'm not bragging, but market will not hit my stop loss before my take profit. Some people do post something online, market hit your stop loss before your take profit, but for me, it hasn't happened to me before. But for my trade to hit my stop loss, that means the trade is invalid. I'm out in that pair. I'm not trading that pair for the day again, because my first entry got validated, maybe my first entry was invalid. That means my analysis was invalid too. So I'm not going to trade in that pair again. As you can see, I'm a good trader. So today I'm logging with GBP USD because that is where I found a better setup for their accounts that fit their account. So anything, anytime, any day, any minute, any second, we are logged in with this account. We are going to make history in this account. I'm going to revise this account and give to the owner so that it will know that Forex is not guessing game. Because I may think before you draw down that huge amount from 800 to 600, that means there was something wrong. Maybe you trade news event which drive the account to that level, and thank God, like, you even managed to close the losses in that 600 balance, because some traders, some newbie, they flip the account to blue because they still want to recover the account back to their money. But you have the mindset to close the account. I think your account is safe. I'm not bragging. I'm not promising you any money. Trading involves risks and loss. Like, you can lose all your entire money. Trading is very risky if you don't understand how trading works. So I'm not advising you to go and open an account and start to trade if you are not going proper, if you are not taking proper lesson concerning trading, and if you are not ready to risk your money. Don't come to trading. Don't come to forex trading. I'm not advising you. I'm not posting this content for you to go and start your trading journey, or for you to go and open your account and deposit your funds and start to trading and start to trade. You may lose your money, and that is not my concern. You want to offer me account management, you still gonna be ready that your account may be gone. So trading, whenever you come into to the space of trading, bear in mind anything can happen. Market do change, account some kind liquidity takes from the market provider. So anytime you are coming to forex industry, just have in mind that you are going to risk money and you are going to make money, but risk is involved. You may lose the account and you may make money from the account. Why you lose the account? Number one is you don't have a proper knowledge about forex trading. Number two is you don't have passion, because passion is the most important thing. I think the person that was trading the account before don't have passion. You think everything that you see in the forex market is making money. No, it's not making money. When your analysis is good, calm down for your entry. No matter your analysis is 100%, forex will also play some kind of tricks on you. Forex may start to drop. Your analysis is okay, but just wait for your confirmation. Either you are trading price action, different type of trading that you are trading. Because for me, I'm a swing trader. This trade may take days and weeks. That's for me. I'm not a day trader. I'm not a scalper. If at all, I was a scalper, before 3 to 4 candlestick, I will have closed my trade with a few profit. If I'm a day trader, my trade will not pass today. I will close this trade today. But since I'm a swing trader, the trade is going days, unless the market shifts. That is where I'm going to close the trade. If the market shifts, I accept it and close the trade. So for my background of analysis, let me show you background of analysis. I think I have some analysis. Okay, for now I think I'm not going to show some analysis for now, because we are still on a challenge phase. It's not for me to show you the analysis, how I make the analysis, but a few in the screen is what I did to catch up this trade. This few analysis is what I did to catch up this trade. And whenever I shoot, I always say it, whenever I shoot, I don't miss. If I want to miss, it should be a losing trade. Yes, whenever I shoot, I don't miss. If I miss, that should be a losing trade. I'm not going to enter that trade again. Imagine this trade, it's my stop loss first. I'm not going to enter the trade again for the day. Either I will move to another pair, I will move to good. If I find out there's no good entry for me, I will close my system for the day and rest. It's not that maybe you are trading every day makes you a trader. What makes you a trader is like you are waiting for your setup to come. Your setup set, you open your trade, set your stop loss, your take profit, everything set, and wait for the result. Market may pay out the stop loss, market may pay out the take profit. Anyone that it is, you accept it with your mind, with your full mind. So alright, logged in again with this channel. Subscribe to this channel. We are not doing anything like we are showing you a flashy profit. So I'm not flashing you with a huge profit. Doing this beside the account was 3,800 and something 3,859, as you can see. So everything is real. I'm showing you a real journey of recovering an account. So this is day one. Today is day one. So log in with my channel, subscribe to be available if you want something big, like if you want for you to see everything correct, my analysis. I think if we have over 50 sub in this YouTube channel, I'm going to start a live stream of this account. Anytime I'm about to trade this account, I will come live. You people watch the account going. You can bring your account to me. Bring your account to me, like your account that is already down. Bring it to me, and before you bring it, have in mind like anything can happen. You that drop down the account into that amount, the account can still drop down to so amount. So maybe you have your own mindset of don't drop this account more than this to this balance, don't pass this balance. Yeah, I can accept that, but for you to say it's 100% that you must recover, no, don't bring the account to me. For your account to be rebuilt back as my biggest team, Manchester United, like we are rebuilding, cooking something better for England to eat. So as you can see, we are doing back-to-back winning. I'm just putting like I'm just maybe having fun with my team, because we are rebuilding as well. So I'm not joking, we are rebuilding our team back to how it was before. So right now, back to our trading. If you want me to recover your account, bring it. We have a deal done. You tell me your drop down limit, and I will also check whether it's right with my own limit. So the account is 600, so we are trying to recover now. Let's go to our ABS. Because everything is still moving, as you can see. The account is moving back to $150 profit. So we are not in, like I'm not maybe shocked about the account. Everything is still active. So it's a live trading. We are not doing a demo trading over here. Check it over here. You will see it's a live trading. ABS real, nothing fake over here. We are not a sale trade. So I'm cool to lock in more. Here is our take profit. I'm active with the market. If the market goes up, I know where I will close our trade, like my trade. I know where to close the trade for the day. If the market try to make some serious movement, if the market try to make some serious movement, I'm going to close the position. But for now, full margin. Let me just take some water so that I will know what is going on in the market. Alright, after taking some water so that I will know what is going on the market, I be in the market or for the market to the market. No, I think I'm joking. What is going on in the market? So I think you are still locked in with a 0.05 loss size, trying to recover a $600 account back to 3,859. That was the total funding. If you can check the total funding of this account is 3,859. Let's take it as 3,800 because 559 is like a chicken pips for me. That one trade on good. I recover it, case close. So nothing much, nothing what am I on to say? My head calm down. Nothing much and nothing simple. As you can see, don't see the way I explain Forex, don't see the way you are seeing, like don't look at the way you are seeing the profits and you think Forex is easy. To be honest, you're gonna learn. I think this man a change of the years in this industry, so I know what I'm passing through. So don't think like Forex is that easy. Forex is not that easy. for you to just start as a newbie. You're gonna like, you need a proper direction, a proper background to set you up before you start anything concerning forex. Forex concern risks, like you are taking risks of your money. So if you know that this like industry or this how will I call it, if you know that you are not capable of losing your money, just stay away from forex. I'm not advising anybody to come to forex if you can't accept the loss involved in forex market, profits involved in forex market. So either you choose whether you accept it or you leave it. That is it. But for me to give you assurance in forex market, my assurance is that nothing is 100% in forex market. That is my assurance, and I still don't give you any assurance like nothing is 100%. Am I making like, is that confused? Okay, it's a mistake. But I'm saying the truth. It's not a mistake. Take it like that. Nothing 100% verifying in forex market, and nothing is not 100% verifying in forex market. If you think you are 100% right, also think that you are 100% wrong. That is it. Accept the loss as business cost, and then accept the profit as a reward in your business. That is it. But make a proper analysis. When you make a proper analysis, forex is gonna bring you a proper result. Don't just jump in because your mates are posting profits online. Media space is too big. Yeah, to be honest, media space is like, the media is too wide. So don't believe anything you see online. If a trader does not come like this to me, like for me, if you are a full trader and you don't show me your account history, you don't show me how you press a trade in real account, the account is real, you are taking the trade, like you are holding the trade till so like maybe you hold the trade like 1 hour. Yes, you trade every day with that particular same account without topping balance. That means I will know that you are a trader. But for you to come online and posting profits, I'm just make all this 100 times of I just made this profit in 1 hour. Just look at it like this. Pure trading, I know what I'm saying. Trading is not that easy, to be honest. So you're gonna learn, you're gonna accept the loss. Anything that comes out, you're gonna accept it. So that is it for this video to be continued like this. Remember, this day one of recovering a $3,859 account. The person dropped it down to 600, so we are going to rebuild it back to 800. So the account is active. The account is active now. So stay tuned. You're gonna unlock this challenge. I think the person should be happy now because your account may be recovering, or it may be also drop down to your limit you set. So anything that comes out like that comes out, you accept it with your full chest. That is it. That is trading for me, because the day you start to fight against your losses, your account is going to grow. If you fight against losses, any day you start to fight against losses in forex trading, the losses is gonna be much. Because once you lose, you try to recover, you lose again. Once you lose again, your brain will be like, go again, recover. So anything that you are doing, have in mind that don't fight against the market. The market is still going up again. My understanding profit is still dropping back to $80. So I'm not fighting against the market. I should lose. My target is here. As you can see, my take profit is here. So market move to my take profit, I'm good with that. And if market doesn't move to my take profit, or I will still accept the reversal and close my trade. As you can see, market is not even giving me like any loss. So I know when market, like the exact zone, I will close my trade. If market try to revise, I know the zone and a particular entry level which I will close my trade, just to manage this account properly. Because this is where the normal, whenever I accept something like this is where you are going to prove to someone that Forex is not gambling. This particular challenge is where you accept it. Is where I accept it to maybe to prove to someone who says that Forex trading is scamming. No, I accept challenge like this to prove to you that you were doing gambling in the market. So I'm going to do what we call financial management, risk management, passion, no emotion, no greed. So everything here is 100% real. As you can see, it's a real account. Keep on showing you guys so that you guys will not say like no, it's not a real account. It's a real account. As you can see over here. So everything is perfect. And I also pray like this account should be recovering back to the $359 deposited. Am I right? Yes. Okay. I also pray that this don't laugh. Don't laugh. And I also pray that this account should be. What are you saying, bro? And I also pray that this account should go back to the normal balance, which is 3,850. So logged in with the account, still trading live. Everything is live over here. I'm not joking. God should also give you like the idea to understand how it works, because when you understand how it works, that is where everything will change. When you understand how it works, that is where you're going to make like back-to-back profits, like, because you're not like, you don't have any idea about how it works, you're going to lose more and more and more and more. So it's better for you to learn how it works than for you to start looking for money, side hustle money with Forex trading. Forex trading is not something like you keep it as side hustle. Once you think like it's a side hustle business or it's a content creating online, that's where you're going to lose more and more, because anytime you come back to Forex will push you away again with losses. So it's better you logged in with Forex, or you do what you are doing. Simple. Don't add it to your let me say, like, don't add it to your work collection. Like, how do you put yourself? I don't know. So logged in with Forex, learn what you want to learn. When you master it, you can add it to your side hustle. You can keep it as your side hustle if you have a proper business that can give you money than Forex market. It's for you, but for me, since I'm logged in with Forex market, I don't see anything that can generate me more income. I'm not sure of what I'm saying. I'm just I'm just saying something friendly. So I'm not talking about I don't see any job that can do this. I'm just saying with my own words, my mind. No, this isn't just try to pass up. So just anyway, see you guys in the next video, because I'm going to make it friendly and so easy. As you can see, the way I'm explaining my thing is not that hard for you to subscribe to the channel, so that you can make more video than this. You can do it more better than this. I can come live stream so that you can see everything. So subscribe to the channel. Let's lock in again. If you if you love this content, just please share it to your neighbor who is about to learn Forex but no idea first. Let that person watch this video and be motivated, because this video will motivate you. Because why am I saying like it's going to motivate you? The profit I'm making is too little, like a little profit I'm making, and how I do my trade. I don't make something like, I don't make it more hard for you to understand. Everything is simple. So share the video, subscribe to this channel, stay locked in. We are active with this channel, so nothing gonna change this channel. We are active. Bye.
Subscribe to my channel.